All right, so we have a couple problems that we're going to finish. And this says to write 3 points that can be connected to construct a line that is 5.5 units to the right of and parallel to the y-axis. So remember, here's my x, here's my y. That means that I want it to be parallel. So that means that each of my y's are going to have to be all of my y's can be different. It's my x that needs to stay the same. So I'm just going to say, well, my x is going to be 5.5, and I can choose 1. I'm going to choose 5.5, and I'm going to choose 2. I'm going to choose 5.5, and you guessed it, I'm going to choose 3 to make that simple on myself. The reason is because I wanted it to be parallel. So that means it's that y is going to change. These numbers that are going up are going to change, but it's always going to stay at that same point for my x. Now the same thing for this one, it says to write the coordinate pairs for 3 points that lie on the x-axis. So that means it's going to be right here, and it's 3 points above it. So then that means that my y is going to stay 3, but all of these x's can change. So I'm going to label this 1, 3. Oh, 3 points that lie on the x-axis, not above it. So it's just going to be on that x-axis. So that is my mistake. So that means that my x is always going to be a different number, and my y is what stays consistent. So my x, I'm going to say, is 1, 0. I'm going to say 3, 0. And then I'm going to say 5, 0. Okay? So Adam and Janice are playing Battleship. So here is the table presented below. And these are his guesses so far. He has hit Janice's battleship using these coordinate planes. What should he guess next, and how do you know? So when I look at this, I know that he's hit on 311, he's hit on 310, but then he's missed on 39. So this 411, this 32 doesn't really help, or 211 doesn't really help me, but these do help me. I know that he's hit on 311. I know he's hit on 310, but he's missed on 39. So honestly, guys, his next guess should be 3 and 12. The reason is because if I were to plot this, and let's say here is my 3, and this is not to scale, so I don't want you guys to think that this is to scale. And here is my 9, 10, and 11. So he's missed on that 3, 9. He's gotten this number. He's gotten 311. So I know that my ship isn't going to be going this way. It's only going to be going straight up and down. So the next number that I would ask for would be that 12 to be able to hit. Okay. First of all, I just know that with my ships, they can't be crooked. I can't have 2 here and then 2 over here. So this is just how I know that when I'm going straight up, that would be the best guess, would be 3, 12.